Welcome guys, I'm your Skull Teach. I welcome all you viewers to my channel. I will tell you step by step how to monetize your channel. In this playlist we talk how to monetize your YouTube channel. Guys, I made YouTube channel monetization playlist because I faced a lot of problems while monetizing my channel. And I looked on YouTube and still can't find the solution. So I decided to make a video on monetization and give proper information from beginning to end. How can I also give you proper information? How will I know what error is giving in your channel monetization? That's why I am telling you about YouTube Creators Support Team, so that you can share your problem directly with your YouTube support team. You will not need anyone's help. I have some screenshots of what problems I faced at monetization time. Look guys, now I will just tell you how to start showing ads on your channel. How does the payment come to my account? I will post a video about it after some time. First, you will have to understand a few things. I will tell some points in this video. 1. If you have completed 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, then you can directly watch the 4th and 5th video. 2. If you are new, then you have to watch the entire video from beginning to end, then you will be able to monetize the channel easily. 3. How to increase your watch hours and subscriber. 4. When and how to talk to YouTube support team. 5. I will show you the screenshot of what problems I faced. 6. Give your full comment support. 7. How to monetize from start to end by making a total 6 videos in the playlist. Now 5 and 1 more video will be added after some time, when payment will come to me, which is address verification PIN, in which Google AdSense sends you a PIN through courier which verifies your address, and allow you add your bank details on Google AdSense account so you can complete the payment.